Yeah, peace. Yeah, once again, at the coast, and yeah, just on this little lake, just looking out, man. Any of you that come this way, man, do not go to this motel. I think it was Road Inn. Man, that was a piece of crap. Luckily, I didn't have my old lady with me this time. She was on a business for her job, so she couldn't be with me today. But and lucky that she wasn't, 'cause I know she she would have probably turned up, got real mad, cause that was a piece of crap. It was like mildew. Whole floor was like damp. So, but I really couldn't find a room on the ocean front, the beach front. So I just settled for that last night. I actually made a video of that room, but I say nah, it wasn't either not even worth trying to show that to the people. But be real careful if you're trying to go to that room. It definitely it's like a I wouldn't even give it a 2 star. It's more like a 1 star hotel that I was in last night. I'm really over here today because I have some business partners that I got to meet over this way today. So that's why I'm here today. Yeah, when I returned the key to the to the hotel clerk, I was going. Well, she was like on the phone with another customer. I just say, lady, y'all need to do something about the damp. It's gonna cause mildew. It's gonna cause mold. But she was busy, so I just left. I say fuck it. Yeah, so be real careful if you come into Wilmington. If you heading to Carolina Beach or Wrightsville Beach, and I didn't even make no reservation this time because this is like a uh, quick little trip. Meet up with some business partner, so that's what it was all about. Yeah, but it's definitely beautiful. The spot area, definitely beautiful. Actually, yeah, when I woke up this morning, I was like, I heard something rumbling. It's just like boom, 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 boom. So, you know, um, I woke up, I cleared my eyes a little bit. When I woke up, cleared my eyes a little bit, washed my face, and that was around like quarter to 9. And man, it was just like rumble or thunder. I was like, man, they get these thunderstorms like early in the morning. We get ours down in Florida in Concord. I mean, damn, why the hell I keep saying Florida? We get ours in Charlotte and Concord too, but not early in the morning. most time we get our storm, it's like 5 or 6 in the evening. Now we caught one. We caught one Wednesday by level. So I didn't even go to work that day too. I just found myself, you know, spending time with my family and myself. Not so much it just working. I can just say for myself, I've been like my program for a long time, just to be a hard worker and just make somebody else rich. So, but pretty much, that's all I have for today. I would share the little, this crazy experience, I had with this hotel, and it was a piece of crap. Matter of fact, in the hotel, didn't even have all the electrical outlets. I'm like, man, where the hell I'm gonna plug my damn phone up? So I had to like unplug a damn lamp. Had to go way across the other side of the room to plug my phone up and my tablet. I said, man, this is some bull crap right here. Straight up bull crap. I was so tired. I didn't even feel like going up to the hotel clerk and start no argument. So I just left it at that. I said, let me just get me about 4 or 5 hours of sleep, and I'm going to just get up. So that's why I came last night. But my little business partner, they're gonna be running kind of late because they coming down from Augusta, Georgia. So, but they got some business down here too, though. So, but anywho, y'all have a great weekend. Peace, love, harmony. I'm out.